سيدنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين، خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين، نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
Shit!
Got an update.
Okay.
Said goodbye to the come mierda who like to hang out at this bar. She has some unique tastes.
Good, fuck her.
Alejandro, I'm looking for the anti-aircraft cannon by Verdera.
It's past the church on the north edge of town, next to a ridge and some farmland.
Okay.
But watch your back.
Over here.
Tell me what you know.
You met Xenia yet? She's one of the best artists in Yara. I feel like you two would... get along. You'll see what I mean.
Appreciate it. Espada. It's done.
Really?
See? They're gone. All of them.
Danny, I don't know how to thank you. This is justice for Papa.
It's more than that. It's how we scare Jose out of hiding. It's how we show that little shit who he's dealing with.
That's right. That's fucking right. Gracias, Danny.
Alejandro, I'm looking for the anti-aircraft cannon by Verdera.
It's past the church on the north edge of town, next to a ridge and some farmland.
Okay.
But watch your back.
Okay. Careful, Danny.
What?
That's one cannon gone. Oye, Clara. I'm near El Este.
And history is repeating itself.
What do you mean?
This is the land where legends are born, Danny. The 67 revolution started in El Este. El Tigre, La Quimama, Lorenzo, Lobo, they led the guerrillas who overthrew Castillo's father, Gabriel. Libertad is taking Yara full circle.
And they know I'm coming to give them the good news.
El Tigre is very, very excited. Promise.
Let's go. Shh. Be nice.
Well,
El Tigre?
that's me. You must be that kid Clara mentioned. Libertad's chosen one.
I'm not a kid.
Of course not. You're Bebe Tigre. And don't worry, I'll make sure you don't end up one of Benitez's trophies.
Who's Benitez?
Head of Castillo's navy, a real sea monster. She likes to hang traitors like fish for all of El Este to see.
Pa'l carajo.
Got some intel.
What's up?
Ever wondered how the soldados get their orders in El Este? Answer is the radio station at the top of the mountain nearby. They turned that place into a fort. If you walk in, stay out of sight. They'll shoot you dead and throw you off the mountain.
Gracias, gracias.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
The view from the waterfall was...
Venga, you fucking blind?
The view from the waterfall was so beautiful.
Looks like the waterfall from El Tigre's photo. Need to get up there. El Tigre, I'm at the waterfall picture.
It was taken after a bloody battle. 3 days of hiding paid off when a platoon of paratroopers landed right in our kill zone. Planning and patience are guerrillas' best friends.
So is a handful of grenades.
The waterfall ran red that day. You know, with all the blood. From the soldados we killed. Because it was a lot.
Yeah, I get it. Guts. Fucking show-offs.
Baby Tigre, after the war, that path became a famous hiking trail for sweaty turistas. They'd visit our camp, leave their shit everywhere, take photographs of us like we were animals in a zoo. So we might have accidentally lit a few dynamite sticks and might have accidentally blocked the trail.
Then I might have to accidentally unblock it.
Exactly. I love it.
Coño. Could really disappear up here. Would make an army blind. How is the air both thick and thin at the same time? Down below. Okay, I'm at the next picture. Let me guess. Guerrillas are like sharks. Deadly predators with knives as sharp as teeth.
Actually, that rock just looked like a shark.
Who's the one dangling underneath it?
That's Lucky Mama. We never knew when the Soldado would find our camp, so we had to secure fast ways up and even faster ways down. Lucky always volunteered to be the first to test the lines.
Brave.
I hear you're brave too. Clara told me about you. You know, I also grew up without a mama or papa.
And you still became a legend.
Many guerrillas are orphans, baby Tigre. But it's not our parents who define us. It's our actions.
It's like therapy. El Tigre. I'm at the statue.
Ah, Lobo. A revolutionary, a warrior, and a dear friend. Killed in combat when we stormed Esperanza in 67. Yesterday was the anniversary of his death.
That explains the hangover.
Every year I drink 2 bottles of rum. One for me, and one for Lobo. You never lived to see a free Yara? To be honest, neither did I.
This is the last pick.
Felicidades! You're at the top of the world! Now get down here! You're missing all the fun, baby Tigre!
El Tigre! What Danny! What the hell?
You're trapped. Death is staring you in the face. What do you do?
I don't think Lobo Loki Mama is joining.
Para, I've met the legends. El Tigre is the only one on board with Libertad.
We got
Do
some...
what